This stylish single oven from Zanussi is perfect if you're looking for a self-cleaning model that makes cooking easy. With a large 74-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunction oven with great functions including a fast grilling and meat setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Zanussi's fantastic Set and Go feature allows you to program the oven to switch off automatically once it's finished cooking. Simply set the desired time by using the plus and minus buttons on the control panel. The oven will then turn itself off once your food is done, and an acoustic alarm will alert you. So, your food is never overcooked and will always be done to perfection. The Pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Once selected, it burns away any grease and food residue by raising the temperature to around 500 degrees. The door locks for your safety, and once the program is complete, any ash that's left behind can easily be wiped away. If you're looking for a self-cleaning model that makes cooking easy, this stylish single oven from Zanussi is the one for you.